what herbs can I plant that will come back every spring? And this is from Kay Andersonville. You have any suggestions for Ms. Kay?
Well, okay, a lot is going to depend on her soil and soil conditions and drainage.
Okay.
Rosemary, many of the lavenders are hardy perennials in theory, okay?
In theory. Okay.
But particularly around here, our warm summer nights, our slow drainage during the winter does a lot of these plants in. So I wouldn't plant 100 of them hoping to have them all come back.
Okay.
You know, if do your proper soil prep, I like to mix a little bark in it with it, pine bark, because it's got calcium in it, tends to raise your pH.
Okay.
Helps keep the soil separated so you get good drainage through it, have plenty of air. You know, and if they come back, hey, that's great. But one of the nice things about herbs is they're very inexpensive. They grow rapidly. So even if you plant a whole new bed of different herbs each year, you're not talking about a lot of money. And you'll get fresher herbs, won't have a woody old plant that you've got to do pruning on. You know, if it were me, I'd grow my own fresh ones or harvest them at Kroger, one of the two.
I have to one of the two.
Yeah.
So we're talking about chives, oregano,
all
thyme.
those things. Yeah,
Okay.
basil.
Mint.
You know,
Right.
basil you want to watch because it doesn't like cool temperatures. It's not going to come back, but you know you can plant them every year. You know that's the neat thing. Now mint,
that's a good point.
you can plant it
Yeah,
once and you're not going to have a problem.
Right,
It's going to
'cause
come back
it's gonna
with a
come back.
vengeance
Yeah,
all over
without
the
a doubt.
neighborhood.
Yeah.
So.
What about rosemary? I mean,
Rosemary,
depending on the winter.
again, yeah, it depends on how. I think you'll have better luck growing them in containers than you will in the ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. But definitely good drainage. The bark, putting bark. Okay.
Love pine bark. You know, it's one of the best. You know, Mother Nature lets all these trees and stuff fall to the ground, and like, oh, gee, what a good plan. You know, so that's what I try to use.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.